This is the first 4-stroke I've ever rebuilt. I don't know how it's gonna go. It's from a old Troy-built tiller that everything's cast iron. This thing's got to weigh 50 pounds. I was running it one day, it just seized up. So I took it apart and the bottom end of the connecting rod was just seized and galled to the journal of the crank. No bearing at all, just aluminum to metal, aluminum to polished steel. It's weird. I'm a 2-stroke guy, it's always a bearing down there. This thing only has one bearing in the whole motor. It's got a crankshaft with a bearing on one end, and it's got the camshaft with no bearings. Just, you know, brass bushings, so I don't understand how they work. But it's low RPM, that's what's cool about these old motors. They're low RPM and high torque. The flywheel alone weighs 10 pounds probably. So, I'm prepared for failure, but hoping for the best. A little gas lean in it. Turn on the petcock. Totally rebuilt. I did not clean the carburetor, so God knows how that'll work, but it was running when I put it away, as they say. Wow. It wants to run. Hot dang. It may not run, but it wants to run. Well, I don't like that it's smoking a lot, although I think it might be just burning off oil on things. And it won't idle, but I'll clean the carburetor. I'm certainly gratified that it's running at all. It's like, I don't know, from the 60s, I think. I'll check in later.